The worsening outdoor air quality is a cause for concern. But in the indoor air might not be any safer. Volatile organic compounds, allergens and microparticles pose hidden challenge to healthy living. Our advanced PHI Photohydrogenization technology differs significantly from conventional air purifiers. Using the principle of the oxygen cycle in nature, EcoHue mimics the natural ecology indoors using sunlight and water. It continuously converts every liter of indoor air into 177 quadrillion purification fetters. The purification fetters actively bind to suspended particles less than PM2.5, causing these particles to fall to the ground as dust. Clearing the air of these pollutants prevents them from being breathed in, keeping your family safe with every breath. Achieve simple and beautiful living with this green and sustainable purification concept. Bring the forest home with EcoHue Photosynthetic E3.